How to make yourself a valuable employee is our topic today. Let me start by sharing with you a story. A friend of mine who is now a retired nurse shared her employment story with me. She told me in those days, government offered them jobs right away after qualifying from the nurses' school. And specifically to her, she remembers she was picked by a government vehicle from their home and she was taken to report at her new workstation. That was amazing. But unfortunately, that is not what happens nowadays. So today we are living in a competitive world of work. But experience shows that you can make yourself valuable and useful so that employers and people you work with will not want to lose you. Now the question is, how to do so? Well, you must develop and display some qualities which will enhance your contribution and standing at your workplace. And that is the reason why I'm here today to talk to you. But before we look at these qualities, let's look at what does your work, what does your job offer to you as an employee. Number one, your job offers you a monthly wage. And that is the reason why most people look for jobs. They want to earn that monthly salary. Number two, your job gives you skills from your job experience. And these skills promote you to higher pay and greater responsibilities. Number three, your job also gives you a social status and satisfaction. When you do productive work, it gives you a personal satisfaction, and it also offers social acceptance that someone is useful because he or she is gainfully employed. Now, let's go back to the qualities that you should display. To answer those qualities, to know those qualities, we must ask ourselves this question: what do employers look for from employees? Once you have the idea of what employers look for from the employees, you will be able to add value to yourself so that you're not easily displaced from that office. I have summarized this actually in an abbreviation that I've called CIDP. The C stands for commitment, the I stands for integrity, the D stands for discipline, and the P stands for performance. Employers are looking for employees who are committed to work, who have integrity, discipline, and performance. That is it. And now let's see, when we talk about performance, how do our employers rate performance? Our employers rate performance in terms of attendance level. Your daily attendance on duty, and your punctuality at work. At what time do you arrive at your workstation? They also rate performance in terms of your ability to follow work instructions and skills at work. Do you display expertise skills at work? Your employer will also rate your performance in terms of your achievement of the targets that they have set for you and quality workmanship. If you're a kind of person who does shoddy work, if you're a kind of person who does work with I don't care attitude, and you don't care whether you meet the targets or no, all you care is your monthly pay, you will lose that job. And your employers are also rating your performance in terms of your ability to join teamwork. Because any company, any institution involves several cadres of employees. So if you don't have teamwork spirit, your performance will not be optimal. So those are the kind of things that you should look at, some of the qualities that you should look at in order to enhance your contribution and standing at your workplace.